Now I am going to discuss the concept of vertically opposite angles. Whenever two straight lines, suppose AB and CD are two straight lines and they intersect each other at O, then we have vertically opposite angles are formed. That means angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD and angle AOD is vertically opposite to angle BOC. So we can say that angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. Similarly, angle AOD and angle BOC are vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. That means, or we can say vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. So as they are vertically opposite angles, so they are equal. And suppose we are given that angle AOC is equal to 35 degree. That means this angle is 35 degree, and if we are supposed to find all other angles, so we can say angle AOC is equal to 35, and we know that angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, which is equal to 35 degree. So this angle is also equal to 35 degree. But if we are supposed to find angle AOD and BOC, we will use the concept of the angles on a straight line. We know that the angle on a sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degree, or we can say if we have a straight line and a ray falls on it, the angles so formed are the linear pairs, or their sum is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, if AB is a straight line and OC is the ray, so we can say that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, because AB is a straight line and OC is the ray, so they are linear pairs, their sum is equal to 180 degree. So angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. As we know, AOC is 35 degree, so we can say 35 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree, or angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 35, and it will be equal to 145 degree. So this is how we can find angle BOC, and we know that angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, vertically opposite angle, so it is also equal to 145. So we can say the angle AOC is 35, then angle BOC is 145 degree, and BOD is 35 because it is vertically opposite to angle AOC, and angle AOD is equal to angle BOC because they are also vertically opposite angles, so angle AOD is also equal to 145. So this is how we can find the angles. When one angle is given, all the other three angles can be found by using the concept of vertically opposite angles plus the concept of linear pair. So this is how we can use the concept that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now let us take another question on this concept. Suppose it is given that in the figure the line AB and CD intersect each other at point O, and angle AOD is to angle DOB as 7 is to 11. We are supposed to find the angles. So let us suppose angle AOD is equal to X and angle BOD is equal to Y. So we can say that X is to Y as 7 is to 11. So let the common factor be, K. So x is equal to 7k and y is equal to 11k. Now we know that AOD is x and BOD is y. But we know that x and y are linear pair, but angle x and angle y are linear pair. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree because they are on a straight line AB and OD is the ray. So angle x plus y is equal to 180 degree, or we can say 7k plus 11k is equal to 180 degree, or 18k is equal to 180 degree, k is equal to 10 degree. Now when k is 10 degree, so x will be equal to 7 into 10, that means 70, and y is equal to 11 into 10, that is 110 degree. Now angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Reason, because vertically opposite angles. So we can say angle AOD is equal to angle BOC is equal to x, or that means 70 degree. Similarly, angle DOB is equal to angle AOC is equal to y is equal to 110 degree. So we have found all the angles. Angle AOD is equal to 70 degree, angle BOD is equal to 110 degree, this is 70 degree, and this is 110 degree. So this is how we can use the concept of vertically opposite angles and the concept of linear pair. So let us discuss again. Suppose we are given a straight line, two straight lines AB and CD, and they are intersecting at point O, and we are supposed to find all the angles. When we know that angle AOD is to angle DOB is 7 is to 11. Whenever we are given a ratio, in these type of questions we take a common factor. So let us first assume angle AOD be equal to x and angle BOD is equal to y. So we can say x is to y as 7 is to 11. Let the common factor be k. So x is equal to 7k and y is equal to 11k. Now, and we know that angle x and angle y are linear pairs because AB is a straight line and OD is the transverse. OD is a ray standing on it, so they are linear pairs. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Substituting the value of x and y, x is 7k and y is equal to 11k, it is 180 degree. 18k is equal to 180 degree, k is equal to 10 degree. So we have found the value of k, that is the common factor. So we found x is equal to 7 into 10, that is 70 degree, and y is equal to 11 into 10, that is 110 degree. Now we know that angle AOD and angle BOC are equal because they are vertically opposite angles, and therefore angle AOD is equal to angle BOC is equal to x, that is 70 degree. Similarly, DOB is equal to AOC and equal to y, and it is 110 degree. So this is how we can find all the angles when we know that the ratio is 7 is to 11.